Hey everyone! So this morning when I was on Pinterest, I saw a very pretty paint palette. So I thought I'd give it a try. And this is just a 10 by 10, and this is usually my experiment canvas for color coordination for me. But what I did is I took some dioxazine purple and added some Payne's gray to get this really dark purple. And then I have my Premier Violet. This is Premier Purple Red, Craft Smart Sea Mist Pearl, Lucas Lavender, and of course my white. And we're just going to do a basic flip cup. And that is just, we'll probably use about 8 ounces of paint, if that. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that with my WD-40 silicone spray. And we are going to definitely start with quite a bit of white because I want the center to come out very white. And we're going to follow that with the lavender. And I'm only going to do one round of color. Yeah, we're going to Sea Mist Pearl, but I'm going to try to keep it on the edges, not so much in the middle. And then the purple red we'll put right in the middle. And then the violet. And then my mix. So that cup is very full. And I know we have plenty of paint. So I'm going to go ahead and flip that on the canvas. Normally I push and then pull back, but I want to kind of just lift up and hopefully it won't drip too much. So we're going to go ahead and give that a go. And I'm going to leave these on the edges. So let's see what this will give us. We have plenty of white in there. Lots of pretty cells. And as the white is sinking, we're getting some more. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this corner off first. I probably don't even need to cup it because I have tons of paint on here. And I'm going to go to the other corner there. And I'm going to head down here. I kind of lost all my pretty dark purple. The white is kind of taking over. But it's going to sink some, so we should be okay. You can see where it's starting to sink and the purple's coming up. So of course this will look nothing like this when it dries. Just popping some air bubbles and then we're going to work on some cells. Lots of little ones coming up. I did get some of that dark purple in there though. And that's going to be it. I'm not going to fuss with this at all. I have every color that I put in that cup is there. So we'll just let it dry. and we'll see what it looks like. Dried paintings will be posted on my Facebook page probably within 2 weeks. I'm leaving for vacation, so. And if you're watching this, I'm on vacation in New York, where probably it's going to be nice and cool compared to North Carolina. So thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the links below. Join me on Facebook. Shop with me on Amazon. All the links are below, like I said. And if you're interested in purchasing any paintings, my shop will be on vacation with me, so I won't be doing any shipping. But check back when I get back from vacation on the 25th, and the shop will be back open. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.